Angelica. Hi po. Hi po. Magalang lang siya. Okay. Okay. So, bago ka sumagot ha, gusto ko muna makahingi ng one-liner lang na message for Angelica. Go.
Happy birthday.
Oh, yun. One-liner nga yan. Okay. Thank you very much. Alright. Ano ang sagot? The comfort food of Angelica.
Ice cream.
Ice cream. That is correct. Wow. Kilala. Alright. Ayun. Meron po doon. Ayan. Doon. Yun. Yan. Favorite color po ni Angelica. Name po muna. Name. Ano po?
Marichelle 1.
Marichelle 1? May number 2 ba? Okay.
Wala, nag-iisa lang.
Wow! Alright. Mama! Mukhang
Only
humugot.
one po.
Humugot. The answer is?
Blue.
Blue! That is correct! Wow! Congratulations! Okay. Ang nag-iisa. Next question. Sino po ang celebrity crush ni Angelica? Celebrity crush ni Angelica. Isa lang ha, yung binigay niya sa akin sagot. Go! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Si ano? Si Hisung.
Hisung, that is wrong. I'm sorry. Okay, meron doon. Ay, siya ba? Ito, sige. Okay, name muna, name.
Emerald po.
Emerald, what is the answer?
Daniel.
Daniel?
Padilla.
That is correct. Daniel Padilla. Wow. Oh my God. Anong oras ipinanganak si Angelica? Baka kailangan nandito yung midwife. Okay. The answer is?
5 a.m.
5 a.m. That is correct. 5 a.m. Ilang taon na yun? Mukhang kasama siya. Ano ginagawa? Okay. Next question. Siyempre, nung ipinanganak niya, kailangan nating malaman ha, yung kanyang weight nung pinanganak. Pero ang question ko, ano ang kanyang latest weight in kilograms? Go! Latest weight in kilograms. Latest weight in kilograms. Ayan, sige. Nagtuturoan. Okay. Okay. Let's have you please stand up. Ayan. Tayo kung wag kang mahiya, kailangan talaga natin lahat ng premyo ngayong gabi. Pangalan muna, pangalan.
Francine.
Francine, what is the answer?
40.
40, that is correct! Wow! 40 kilos. Ating banda. Okay. Ano ang kanyang favorite song? And please give me also the artist. Kanyang favorite song and the artist. Go! The favorite song and the artist. Favorite song and the artist. Okay, name please.
Jessa.
Jessa, favorite song, the artist.
Perfect 2.
By 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, sayang naman. Hindi ko sasabihin kung tama yung sagot, ha? Na sinabi niya, ha? Favorite song! And of course, together with the artist of that song. Ayan, may nagtataas na ng kamay. Okay, favorite song, the artist.
Enchanted. Taylor Swift.
Enchanted Taylor Swift! That is wrong. I'm sorry. That is wrong. That is wrong. Yan, meron ba makakahula? Pag nanalo na, di na pwede, ha? Favorite song, together with the artist of that particular song. Give it to us, please. Okay, name please.
Milin po.
Milene. Okay, what is her favorite song together with the artist?
Perfect 2.
By
Auburn.
That is definitely correct. Wow! Go! Ang kanyang pangarap na profesyon. Meron Genesis, dream profession of Angelica.
AB English.
AB English, that will be the course. Pero ano yung kanyang dream profession?
Teacher.
Teacher, that is correct! Wow! Magiging kapareha ko rin siya someday. Alright, thank you so much. Congratulations. At this point, let's hand over the floor to our band right here.